Good morning, everybody. It's a cold one here. I got my sweatshirt on. Yeah, it was cold. I got up this morning and I went, oh my goodness. Got down, made a pot of coffee and pulled a blanket over myself in the corner. And well, I started thinking about how cold it was and my feet were cold. And Gracie hadn't come in to warm them up yet. And well, I started thinking about those monks and their feet because there's a winter storm warning. You're heading right straight at them. You know, looks like bad weather out there. So the little bit of discomfort I was feeling, yeah, yeah. In the name of peace, and we're probably putting up with a whole lot more. Uh, Now, I'm nobody gonna hold it against him if that storm busts out like the ones I remember from the eastern U.S. That somebody put the monks up to some shelter. Yeah, they can continue after it moves through. We won't hold it against them, honest. Poor guys. Well, so, well then, later on I got into the shower. Well, the sun had come out by then. It was high on the collectors, and so when I turned the shower on, I had liquid sunshine pouring on my head. It was pretty cold out this morning, and so it was wonderful. Yeah, yeah, I'm hanging there, and again thinking about those poor cold monks in the storm. But I started singing Uncle John's band. You know, people sing in the shower. Yeah, so I'm in there, I'm showering up, you know. God damn, I declare, have you seen the likes? Their walls are built from cannonballs. Their motto is do not tread on me. Yeah, you know, and I'm going, how did I don't know, the lyrics are a little surrealistic. Sometimes they seem pretty powerful. I tend to believe the song is probably about the dead themselves. Yeah, come see Uncle John's band playing To the Tide. Come with me or go alone. He's come to take his children home. Well, I couldn't sing that long without thinking of Bobby Weir. So many of them gone. Yeah, you know, it's my age, right? You know, most of my favorite musicians and my mentors in life and so on, most of them were 5 to 10 years older than I am. That's the way it goes. So, they're all dropping dead about 5 to 10 years before I do. And, well, I started thinking about the dead. Of course, Phil Lesh, you know, the bass player, he died too in the last year. Oh, there's been so many. The loss of Jeff Beck had nothing to do with the dead, but oh. I mean, the Angels are still trying to figure out how he did that with the guitar. You know, it's kind of impossible to think about the dead and then not think about San Francisco and hippies and flower power and LSD and the bear and you name it, you know, all that stuff. Peace, love, yeah, all that. Yeah, it's hard not to think about it, you know. So as I had a nostalgic flashback in the shower, and no one, including me, could tell I was actually weeping a little because the shower water was hiding the tears. But, you know, some things are best left to memory. That's all I can say. I have a lot of them, and I'll tell you, the memories, they're probably a lot more fun to live through than the actual experiences. Probably. I tend to filter out the worst stuff. Yeah. I remember the high points mostly. Occasionally I remember some of the low points too, but mostly I remember the high points, all the good stuff, you know, stuff that left an impression on me. But it's all illusion, you know. Past the past, it's over. You can't bring it back, you know. Even if you did bring back flower power, it'd be some kind of Frankenstein. Yeah, it just couldn't be the same. Again, different world. Today, you know, well, today it looks like flower power, yeah, it's being replaced with a message of peace. And, well, this one seems to be propelled by a spiritual need and the exertion of some very dedicated spiritual monks. Uh, you know, that's not what drove the flower power thing. Not really. It was really a mixed bag of why did that happen. Well, this one, it's not so mixed. And the people coming out into the streets with the flowers, they don't look like hippies to me. It seems to me they had a shower last night. Yeah, well, like I say, all things change, and you know, shed a tear for flower power, but hey, say hello to peace. We need it. It's coming if we believe it. Spread the word. Share the peace. You don't lose peace by sharing it. It grows. Yeah, oh boy, I declare. Have you seen the light? Their walls are made from cannonballs. Aloha.